Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Schluter's RONDEC profile edging. You can see this is the one we're going to install here. It's white. They come in different colors. And we're going to be installing it on the shower niche. So our niche is square. It's 12 inches long. Here's a little diagram of how we're going to cut the profile. We're going to miter it in 45-degree angle on all four corners. Now, before attaching anything, what we want to do is make sure this back tile is in place, because once you install the profile edging, it's going to be really hard to put it inside. So install that back tile first. You also want to install the tile all around the perimeter here and just leave the top off. So install on the left, on the bottom, on the right side, all the way to the edge, your tiling. So that's what we're gonna do next. All right, so now we have this side on the left, we have the bottom tile here, we have the side tile here. So as long as we have three sides, we can now embed our Schluter RONDEC. Now there's different methods of cutting the Schluter profile edging. You can of course use the grinder, touching the metal disc here and cutting with that. But we found that using the miter saw and using a blade that is designed for metal. This is specifically designed to cut non-ferrous metal, so the one that doesn't have iron, and this one is aluminum, so it works perfectly. This works best and provides us with ability to cut clean 45-degree angle cuts. We can also cut this piece here with just aviation snippets here. So I'm gonna cut it like that. Okay, so that's our bottom piece. We're also gonna file the edges a little bit, just to make it a little bit smoother, just like that. And it's gonna go like this, so a little bit up, and it's gonna be attached right here behind the tile. We've cut our four pieces, so it's gonna look roughly like this. It's time to attach this. So just like that, we put three pieces. First I put this one, then we put this one, and then this one right behind the tiles. We put a little bit of butter to hold it in place. Adjusted our corners here so it's nice and flush. And now we're gonna attach the top piece right here. Okay, just like that, we put it on top. And now we're gonna close off the top tiles. All right, so now we put the top ones, the big one here, and then the small one here. And what's left to do is the inside tiles on 4 corners here. We're gonna start off with the top, then we're gonna attach the sides, and then we're gonna do the bottom piece. So first we attach the top one here, this piece over here, then we put the sides, left, right, and they're holding the top one in place. Now the only thing left is to attach the bottom piece. The bottom has to be on a slope, so when the water kind of drips here, it needs to have a place to come out, so it has to be on a slope. So that's it. Now we're gonna wait for it to set, and tomorrow we're gonna apply grouting. So that's it. That's our shower niche. We're gonna wait 12 hours for this thing to set, and tomorrow we're gonna apply grouting. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.